In this video, I will be showing you how to make a campaign poster in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll head to the search bar on the templates page and type in campaign poster to see our options. There are plenty of professional designs here, so I'll scroll through the results until I find a layout that fits the look I'm going for. I like the clean feel of this one, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the editor loads, I'll start by adjusting the color of the main background element on the left. I'll open the color picker and switch it to a lighter shade of blue to give the design a fresh feel. Now I'll click on the existing photo and delete it to make room for my own candidate. I'll also double-click the top text and change it from elect to re-elect, adjusting the position slightly to keep it centered. Next, I'll go to the Elements tab and search for Person to find a new portrait. I'll browse through the high-quality photos until I find a suitable image. Once I've selected one, I'll place it on the right side of the poster, resize it, and position it so it looks balanced with the text. Now it's time to update the name. I'll click on the placeholder text and type in Samantha Smith, resizing the text box as needed so the name stands out clearly. I also want to change the font for the To City Council section to something more modern. I'll scroll through the font list and select IBM Plex Mono to give it a distinct look. To add a new design element, I'll search for a basic square shape, round the corners, and change the color to a light cream tone. I'll add a text box over this shape and type Ready to Lead. I'll spend a moment looking through different font styles, from scripts to bold sans serifs, until I find a look that complements the rest of the poster. Once I'm happy with the font, I'll group the text and the shape together and align them on the left. To give the background more texture, I'll create a new text box and type Re-elect. I'm going to copy and paste this multiple times to create a vertical column of text. I'll move this entire group behind the candidate's photo and significantly lower the transparency so it creates a subtle repeating pattern in the background. Finally, I'll do a quick check of the alignment and spacing to make sure everything looks professional. With just a few clicks, I've transformed a standard template into a custom high-impact campaign poster.